Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have a LG V40 or even a LG V30. It'll work on that as well. Basically, you have a black screen or it's frozen. Maybe your phone is completely black, but maybe you see some LED lights. Maybe you can hear your phone ringing or vibrating, or you can hear somebody sending you a text message. However, you still have a black screen. You can't turn it on. You can't reboot it. You can't turn it off. I'm going to show you something that's going to work for 90% of you guys right now, okay? Now take note that this phone is actually fixed, okay? But let's just pretend that I have a black screen here. So this is what you want to do, and I'm going to give you two different methods to do this, okay? So the first one is this: just grab your phone right now as it is while you're watching this video, and you want to press and hold two buttons simultaneously. It's going to be the volume down button and the power button, okay? Just press and hold and wait until I say let go, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold, volume down, power. Just keep holding it. Pretend my screen is black. Don't worry about what's going on the screen. Pretend it's black. Just keep holding. You want to keep holding until you see the LG logo appear. Once it appears, go ahead and let go, and hopefully your LG V40 or V30 is back up and running. Now the thing is, if it's not, I want you to try this same method 5 or 6 more times. The thing is, it's not only the LG phones that this happens to. This happens to all phones. It doesn't matter if you have a Samsung, a Huawei, a Sony, even iPhones, this happens as well, okay? Usually this happens because of a software glitch, or maybe you got moisture in your phone, or it could be something to do with hardware as well. So try this like 5 or 6 times. If your phone is still not up and running, then I want you to do this. I want you to go ahead and grab your charging cable, and I want you to go ahead and power your phone up. So go ahead and plug your phone in. Wait 3 minutes. About 3 minutes, and then do the same exact thing again, okay? Volume down, power button, while it is plugged in and it is charging, okay? 1, 2, 3, just press and hold and continue to hold. If this doesn't work, wait another 3 minutes, try again. If it doesn't work, wait another 3 minutes, then try again. Okay, now, like I said, 90% of you guys are gonna have your black screen or frozen screen fixed. If not, comment below. If enough people comment below, I have like 10 other solutions that I do usually when, even though I do this forced restart, it doesn't come up. Then there's many other things that I can do. But like I said, this method here to force restart, 90% of you guys will have your phone back up and running. All right. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.